Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. And somebody asked me to do a video on the Docker color styles. I've never used it because I don't get to use colors, but it is pretty cool and I played around with it a little bit. You open up the color style Docker, click on this, maybe double click on it, then click on that, go to here. Well, create new gradient. And you see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's coming up with 5, so I'm going to click it to 6. And then all you do is just pick a square and double click on it. Pick that square, double click on the next color. Pick a square, double click. You're just adding this color, shades of this same color. You can see that looks pretty red, but this is really red. You can see the difference. Let's actually put a line between them so we can tell a little bit about them. And then there are 6 dots over here, and this one is this one. So we can move it on the scale, and look what it did to the color. Move that one down there, move this one, around the color spectrum. There's also customs, mono, they're all the same after you pick that green one. Accent, trendy, or whatever that is. And just play around with it. Now you got 3 and you can rotate them and I don't know what you'd be doing, but a graphic artist evidently. So you go lighter and darker up the scale and get different colors. And then you could use those colors in another, in another scene, I guess. Well, that green you can see all the time. But maybe that light orange, you could draw you a box, go to your color eyedropper tool and pick that color and put it there. That's really all I know about it. I guess it's pretty useful for people that do a lot of color. And, if you watch the colors up here change when I'm rotating that dial, and then you could go back to monochrome and it'd be all the same color, but you could change it there. And see how I'm changing the shade of that first one and change the last one. But what's kind of cool about this is the fact that when you draw something like this, and you've got these boxes, if you go T for top, it puts it at the top. If we want them up here to this corner left, E for even, and then that's left, then you could go right with the R key. So it is pretty neat the way you can do stuff like that. C, then you can always go P for center of the page. Anyway, I hope that kind of answers their question. You're just going to have to play with it. Boy, look at that. You can change. There's a lot in here. I'm not going to even think I'm very good at this because I don't really know what I'm doing. But there is the color style Docker. I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.